In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the COUNTIFS function in Google Sheets. This powerful tool allows you to count the number of cells that meet multiple criteria in a range, which is particularly useful when you're analyzing data sets to extract meaningful insights. So, whether you're managing financial reports, tracking student grades, or analyzing sales performance, this function will become an indispensable ally. Let's dive in. First, open up a Google Sheet. If you don't have one open yet, head over to Google Sheets in your browser and create a new spreadsheet, or simply open an existing one if that suits your needs. Familiarize yourself with your data layout to understand which columns and rows you want to target with the COUNTIFS function. Once you're ready, direct your attention to cell D1. Clicking on this specific cell will give us a good spot to input the formula and immediately see the results. The location of this cell doesn't have to be D1. It can be anywhere you choose, but for demonstration purposes, we'll stick with D1. Now, let's get into the core of today's tutorial. In cell D1, type out the formula. X COUNTIFS $3 C U 40 pounds, $3 C E 50 dollars. This formula might look intimidating at first, but let's break it down. It relies on the COUNTIFS function to scrutinize your data and count how many times certain conditions are met. Here, we're specifically looking at column C and counting all the numbers that fall within the range of 40 to 50, inclusive. The dollar signs in our formula help lock in the range so that if you copy the formula to other cells, it will still reference the correct data. Once you've typed in your formula, all that's left to do is to press the Enter key. With that simple action, Google Sheets will quickly process your request and display the result directly in cell D1. The number that appears here represents the count of values in column C that meet your specified criteria. Congratulations! You just performed a data analysis using the COUNTIFS function in Google Sheets. This function not only saves you time by providing accurate counts swiftly, but also showcases how Google Sheets can elevate your data handling capabilities by using complex conditions with ease. Feel free to experiment by altering the criteria or applying the COUNTIFS function to different sets of data. The more you explore, the more proficient you'll become with leveraging this tool to aid in your data-driven decision-making. If you have any questions or need further assistance with other Google Sheets features, feel free to reach out. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy analyzing!